Eating swallow has gone beyond gari, fufu, semo, pounded yam, or amala. What if I told you you can make your swallow with oats? Not only is it easy to make, it is healthy as well. It makes you fit and moving because some of you, whenever you eat swallow, you feel tired. That is not the case with oat fufu. Oats have many health benefits, including weight loss, its lower blood sugar levels, and reduce risk of heart diseases as well. Okay, let's get into it. I prefer to make mine from scratch. You can get a ready-made grounded oat from the supermarket. So you're going to grind the oats until you achieve a smooth powder. Then once you're done, you light your stove and put your pot and water on fire. Here, I used about 2.5 cups of water. I use the red cup I'm holding to measure it. Once your water is boiling, put a little aside. Then you can start pouring your powdered oats into the pot and turn it. Here, I use about 1.5 cups of the powdered oat. Then turn until you achieve a smooth texture. This is the time you need the hot water you set aside. Just pour it in, scrape the edges, and cover for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now turn again. At this time, you should be perceiving the aroma of the oats, and you should have something like this. I had mine with okra soup. You can eat yours with your preferred soup. If you have watched this video to this point, I want to say thank you. Do not forget to like, to share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. You can also turn on the notification bell to notify you anytime I drop content. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.